What am I doing? I'm putting a finger on. Yes, put a finger on is an idiom. And what does that mean? It means when there's a problem or when there's a situation that has happened and you are able to identify the place where it went wrong, that means you have put your finger on. You are able to actually identify the reason as to why it went wrong. So when we face an embarrassment or when we face a kind of controversy, it's good to put our finger on it so that we can understand where we went wrong. And that's the rule of thumb. What do I mean when I say the rule of thumb? Something that is practical enough for all of us to accept. It doesn't have to have a theory or it doesn't have to be approved by a set of people for us to follow. The rule of thumb, for example, the rule of thumb is to always have the first meeting short and sweet. That's the rule of thumb. It's always good to keep reading the newspapers to develop good language. That's the rule of thumb. So these two idioms, I hope you're able to relate. Put one's finger on. No matter what you're going through, sit down, analyze your situation, and put your finger on. The moment you spot the mistake or discover the mistake, I'm sure you'd find the solution because that's the rule of thumb. Thank you.